Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Let's pull up today's question. Gary, I fell in the parking garage of my employer as I was walking to my car after 5 p.m. Is this technically workman's comp since I was still on company property, even though it was after my official work hours?
Yeah, that's a pretty good question.
It is.
And workers' comp is its own beast, its own world, a little different than normal tort cases. Torts being breach of a duty. So, like if there's a negligence case or you make a claim because of somebody else's bad decisions, that is what you have to show is there was a duty. I was supposed to do something, I didn't do it, and that caused my injury. So that's different than workers' comp. So workers' comp, you don't have to show that somebody had a duty to do something that they breached. If you just get hurt on the job, even if it was your own kind of bad decision, there is compensation to get you through, get your medical bills paid, get your lost earnings to a certain degree taken care of. And that's handled administratively in Georgia through the courts in Alabama, but it is a different kind of procedure. So now the question, is it after hours and I'm in their garage?
Yeah.
Well, it depends on who owns the garage, and it depends, then it might depend on that breach of duty, whether there was something there that the owner of the garage knew about and failed to disclose. And the real question becomes then, if I'm not on work time, but I'm allowed in the garage, then, and something happens because of a breach of duty, do I have a tort case, that is an injury case, where I can get compensated for my medical bills, my lost wages, and my pain and suffering, or do I have a workers' comp case? It's a complicated issue that every case is different. If you have something like that, you need to talk to a lawyer about it.
Yeah.
But generally, I would say it's probably comp. It usually gets picked up like that, but that's just impossible to say without more facts.
Yeah. So if it's not workman's comp, is there some other potential claim there?
Well, it could be against the owner of the building or the manager of the building or the maintenance people involved in managing the parking lot. You know, all those people may have had that duty we talked about that they failed to do. They made bad decisions they knew of, they didn't follow through on. So there could be third-party liability. There can be both even. If you're hurt on the job by somebody else's third party's liability because they made a bad decision, then you could have potentially two cases.
Wow. Fascinating. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.